Paper presents our experience on developing digital competencies for creative industries through the DigiCulture courses. I'm Diana Andon. I am the director of the e-learning center from the Politehnica University of Timișoara and the project manager of the DigiCulture project. Towards the end, you will meet the entire team which developed these courses from our university. The entire project idea is how to improve the digital competencies and also the social inclusion for the adults which are working in the creative industries in several countries. My university is celebrating in 2020 and it's continuing the celebration in 2021. It's 100 years of establishment and this entire project was dedicated to this. The creative industries are a wider perspective than the simple culture and art. It relates also to mass media, to architecture, to crafts and other cultural heritage areas, to the design and to film and TV production. And also to the IT and the digital economy, which is built on the ICT and games area. The entire project relates to a research which we have started back in 2012 about the creative creators and how to build up the 21st century workplace and workers which are able to go the extra mile, which are relying on well-educated, imaginative, collaborative, and confident people who are personally responsible for the development of our society. And for this, the digital competencies play a very important role as it was defined also by the DICOM 2.1, the Digital Competence Framework for Citizens established back in July 2019 by the European Commission. Our entire project is trying to rely on this digital competence framework and to respond to the major digital competencies and to try to build up abilities and skills and also relying on technologies and tools for this development of the competencies, especially for the adults which are working in the creative industries. So the entire project was designed to help them swim better in a digital world where creativity and inclusion will play a strong role. As you could see from the video which we just presented, our project is developing 13 different courses which are hosted on a multi-language platform, the Unicampus, even that initially this was developed only for massive open online courses in Romanian and dedicated to the Romanian education market. The 13 different courses are having a very broad range of subjects, from general ones, the internet and World Wide Web, going into digital ethics and safety, and also how to do digital curation and digital libraries and museums, but also looking into more entrepreneurial development of the skills, which relates to digital marketing and digital management. The project courses development took an agile approach as we evaluated the results at every stage of development, starting with the syllabus and the development of the open educational resources, which are part of this course. In the development of the DigiCulture syllabus, we looked at different methods. We done expert interviews and also focus group, which were run from December 2019 to January 2020 in online and face-to-face interviews and focus groups in Romania, Ireland, Italy, and Austria. Here, for example, you can see the experts profile, which were all coming from a very broad perspective, from advertising to museums and also to publishing and to education and to quality assurance. For the first module, the Internet, World Wide Web, and Introduction to the Digital World, you can see for quite easy that the tools which they liked very much to be able to learn about and which they are using very much is the user-generated content and apps, followed by the Google Documents and so on. So we were trying to focus on this, plus the how to improve the search on web and also how to include Creative Commons licenses into the search for web. In the second module, the digital content and publishing, the things which were asked to be done and to be focused on were obviously repositories and online libraries, as well as ebooks and different various media content, as well as how to build up newsletters and blogs and wikis. In the data protection and open licenses module, we were trying to focus also, based on the survey results, on what open licenses are and how they are working for different categories, but also how to include the Creative Commons also as a code and also as a use in different image and media formats. In the course which is relating to digital curation as digital libraries and museums, the most important information which the participants were looking for is how to do the digitization of the repositories of the cultural artifacts, and also how to share this online collection, and how to be able to reuse them in different online collections and virtual exhibitions. In the course Digital Safety and Security and Ethics, the most important things which related to the tools which the participant will want to see in a course were obviously tutorials on social media settings and also how to protect yourself and your work in the web. And in the course of augmented and virtual reality, the immersive experiences which can be related to digital culture, the participants from the survey wanted very much and how to know how to make the VR scenes more interactive, how to create and explore a VR scene, but also how to know about the different study cases which are in arts and culture about the use of virtual reality. In the last module about the online and mobile digital media tools and also about how to edit and produce audio and video content using open or online tools, the participants from the survey wanted very much to know how to deal with the YouTube and how to deal with images and photo editing tools, but also how to edit an image and to protect an image into the online space. The 13 courses which we are developing are based on this open educational resources, the OERs, but also on best practices and study cases, examples which are coming from the broad spectrum of culture and technology, but also how technology and digital work can support and include into the culture area. Different examples were coming from digital artists from the 6 countries which are partnered into this project. And you can find all our courses into the Unicampus interface through the Digital Culture website. And they are now in English and soon in all the 6 languages. And you can find information about them on the project website, as well as from the other activities and results from the project. At the end, each participant to the course will receive a badge, an open badge, which is created under the Creative Commons license. They will be able to share this in these different social media platforms, but also they will be able to have it as a digital science certificate. And here you can see the whole badges which somebody can earn if they will follow all of these free and online courses which we have developed. Now the team will say the conclusions of this paper.
Successful courses require careful planning and continual revision.
It is important to define successful strategies and collect feedbacks from learners taking the course.
Course planning is a continual process in which all the steps above are strongly connected, and it will undergo continuous revision during the piloting activity.
In this paper, we present the evaluation process of the 13 syllabuses, course structure and content for the MOOC courses, part of the training program, Digital Skills and Social Inclusion for Creative Industries.
The course's development combines several innovative instructional methods by using international collaborative course development process, exploration of various teaching and learning models, and leverage digital tools, open educational resources, and study cases provided by the cultural and creative industries, organizations, or institutions.
As an immediate result of this project, we can identify and increase of the course's quality, the interaction and the breadth of the study case and tools presented, as well as building of a learning community formed by university professors, cultural actors, and creative industry stakeholders.
Thank you very much for following us. I'm Diana Andone, and you can find more information about this project on the Digital Culture project website, which is digiculture.eu. Thank you.